What's up, guys? We got new parts in the bug. These brand new axles that are special made for the narrowed rear end. They're so little. And then along with the axles we got a spiffy new 1-inch raised trans mount. It has, I don't know if you guys can see that, it's got a center brace. So no more need for the nose cone bolts. Came with extended studs, so the gear carrier just bolts directly to that brace there. Okay. The rear suspension is pretty much there. All I gotta do is come up with some kind of cross brace. I like the one from Melendoza, but I'd have to figure out if they can make me a narrower one or what's going on with that. That's what's going on. The storm here really wasn't too bad. We had to evacuate, but we came back like the next day after the storm and life was good. Redoing the tubs, 'cause I didn't like them, so redoing it. Oh, and all this stuff is from RLR. They make great stuff. They're a little pricey, but I mean, you get what you pay for, I guess. And any questions that you have, they're always right there. They email back pretty quick, so those dudes are pretty sweet. I was talking to Easy about this this trans mount a few months ago, and said Gene Berg did something like this, so couldn't be bad. Alright guys, catch y'all later. Bye.